Hello, Celeste Jones and Medici in the Metaverse. I'm here with Bunny today and to remind everybody to be kind to animals because animals have feelings too. Today we're going to cover staking. Staking means buying into NFT projects and getting passive income. This can be misleading. It is all a little bit speculative, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. For instance, Cybercon, their currency is the banana. Their token went up, but then it dropped again. Not to mention the buy-ins are huge, like 600K. Part of being in a DAO operates as a neural network. There is no one person in charge. Unlike a conventionally run business with the CEO who runs the company and tells people what to do, a DAO has no one person in charge. People all vote together, and when you stake, you own or buy into that DAO. You can collectively own a piece of many different projects. It's like a hedge fund of sorts. There can be incentives, too, for these to be whitelisted and then using the head to gain entrance. Staking NFTs and trying to get passive income is a long shot. And I'm not a financial advisor, so these are just speculations. That's all for today's snippet. A quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with fine modern artists to build out metaverse galleries to curate, mint, market, tokenize, and promote their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io. And that's it for today's snippet of info. Hit that like button and subscribe, and have an awesome day. And don't forget to be kind to animals, please. Celeste Jones and Medici in the Metaverse.